Ever wondered how some channels explode overnight? Buckle up, because I'm about to reveal a game-changing secret. This channel has raked in over $10,000 and amassed a staggering 1 million subscribers. This other channel also made over 300K subscribers, all with AI-generated shorts. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, it gets better. Picture this. Cranking out viral-worthy content in minutes, not hours. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what channels like Really Not AI and iRo are doing. They're not just getting views, they're swimming in millions of them, along with a flood of cash. And it's all thanks to AI-powered shorts. Now here's the kicker. I'm about to pull back the curtain and show you how to harness these same AI tools. You heard that right? The very same tools that are revolutionizing the YouTube game. Stick around, because this could be the turning point for your channel. Ready to leave your competition in the dust? Let's dive into the AI magic that's changing everything. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this. First up on our AI journey, we need a story. But here's a twist you didn't see coming. We're going to borrow inspiration from the pros. Don't worry, it's not what you think. We're not copying, we're crafting something uniquely ours. Head over to any competitor's video and jot down their script line by line. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We're not using their script directly. That's a one-way ticket to copyright issues. Instead, we're going to blend our creativity with a proven template. After all, why reinvent the wheel when we can turbocharge it? Next stop, ChatGPT. This is where the magic really begins. Head over to ChatGPT and create an account. I won't show the steps because it's super easy to do after you've signed in. Type in this game-changing prompt, then paste in the script we borrowed. Watch closely as ChatGPT weaves its AI wizardry, generating stories that echo the original but stand uniquely on their own. Fascinating, isn't it? But we're not done yet. Here's where it gets even better. We're going to ask ChatGPT to conjure up visuals for our script. With a simple prompt, it'll generate jaw-dropping ideas for images that'll make your content pop. To improve results, you can add the name of the text-to-image tool you'll be using to generate the images. For this video, I'll use Bing AI. Now let's shift gears and head to Bing AI. Head over to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search for Bing AI. Click on the first result and create an account. Your screen should look something like this. This is crucial for what comes next. Write this prompt. I want to create a series of images for my story. I'll be providing the prompts, and I want you to maintain the main character and overall look and style throughout the story, and also make the images look more realistic with hyper-resolution. Are you ready? Then copy and paste those prompts we just created line by line, and watch as Bing AI brings them to life. Stay tuned, because the next step is where your short really comes to life. We're going to string these elements together in a way that'll have your viewers hitting replay. Head over to canva.com, and when your interface loads up, click on Create Design. Select the YouTube Shorts template. You'll see a page like this. Click on Uploads on the left, select Upload, and upload all your images. Now click the background and select the color wheel at the top here. Let's change the color to something like this. Copy the hex code if you want to use the exact color in this video. Go to Elements tab, scroll down a bit and select the round-shaped frame here. Drag it to the top left corner of your design and adjust the size. Go back to Uploads and select a custom photo. Drag it into the frame. Next, click on Text. Select Body Text and drag it next to the frame as you see here. Type "you" here and adjust the text to align properly. Also select the square-shaped frame from the Elements tab again and size it like this on the page. Just above the frame, add a text box and paste the first line of your script. You can go back to the YouTube video and see how it's done. Next, we'll duplicate the page to match the number of lines our script has. Drag and drop each image and paste each line according to each page. Add transitions, adjust the timeline, upload your background music, make necessary adjustments, and your video is ready to fly. And there you have it. Let's take a look at our finished product. Incredible, isn't it? But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and watch your channel soar. Now here's a challenge for you. Can you guess how many views this technique could generate for your next short? Drop your guess in the comments. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our exclusive community of AI-powered creators. By subscribing, you're not just following a channel, you're unlocking a treasure trove of cutting-edge AI strategies that could skyrocket your online income. Remember, in the world of YouTube, knowledge is power, and you're now armed with insider information that could change everything. Your success is literally one click away. Thanks for joining me on this AI adventure. But trust me, we're just getting started. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper into the AI rabbit hole. You won't believe what I've got in store for you. See you there.